We wanted to extend the house because we were finding ourselves pretty cramped in the house as it was before. Kerin does a lot of craft at home and had a whole room dedicated to that, but I'd been working out of the corner of the bedroom most of COVID, and the kids are growing up as well, so we wanted them to have a bit more space.
We didn't want to move because you really can't beat this location. Everything we need is within walking distance.
Well, we had a fair bit of contention about whether we would stay while the house was being renovated or not, but ultimately decided to stick around.
They did everything they could to make it as pleasant and livable as possible. Like, they were really, really considerate about being aware that we were all living here. It's difficult when you don't know anything about building and you need to get comfortable and have a level of trust that the people that are doing it for you have your best interest in heart.
We've had difficulty finding good plumbers or electricians and things in the past, and all the ones that Attic brought in were just really good and really good communicators, really good at their jobs.
Yeah, we kind of miss them.
I think now it's done, we often just have a moment of just bathing in the luxury of it all and appreciating how much extra space we have. The girls, one of the moments, I guess, after the final build was finished was the girls moving into their own rooms, and they were very excited. They all really loved their new rooms and the fact they're on the second floor now and they can see the mountains and the trees and stuff across all the other houses' roofs.
They have their own bathroom, which is so good.
And an actual bath as well.
It's nice. It's nice to feel like we've got what we had always dreamed of, but we didn't have to move, so we get to keep all of the things that we loved about where we live. I would really recommend Attic Group. We had such a good experience with them and they did such a really good job. Like, they obviously cared about getting it right and they were good at listening.